Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here. Now, you can't have missed the fact that I got together with a whole load of artisan friends and historian friends over the last few years and put together a series of films called Arrows vs Armour, Series 1 and 2. If you've seen them, great. If you haven't seen them, go watch them for goodness sake. They're brilliant. Obviously, I'm a little biased. And we made those films, put them on YouTube, people enjoyed them. But now, very excitingly for us, we've been asked by the Chalke Valley History Festival to give a presentation. So that's coming up 10:30 in the morning this Saturday, 1st of July. Now, most of you, of course, won't know what the Chalke Valley History Festival is, but it's in the south of England here, and it is a really fascinating event because it's nothing like anything I've been to before. There's a little bit of reenactment there, but it's not a reenactment. There is a little bit of work with books and authors, but it's not a book event. There's a lot of TV producers and directors and things like that and film, but it's not really about that either. You know, it's not about performance art, but there are performances. There's all sorts of things going on there, but it's all with a history theme, and it is just fascinating. It's fantastic. It's not huge. It's quite a small, condensed event, but it is just absolutely 100% fabulous. So I'll say it again. The Chalke Valley History Festival, 10:30 in the morning, this Saturday, 1st of July. I'll be there. Will will be there. Joe. Toby Capwell. I don't think Augusto can make it, but then also producer-editor Mike, who, if you're interested in the production side of it and what's going on, he's a really fantastic guy to talk to about all of that. So any questions you have, whether it is about the Armour, the campaign, how we set it up, why we chose to do it, about any of us, whatever it is, come down. Because the last thing I want is to be standing there looking at an open field, feeling really lonely and bouncing questions off an oak tree or something. So come on down, stop me being lonely, and if you're not interested in us, go to the rest of the Chalke Valley event. It's fantastic. Brilliant day out. Anyway, hopefully we'll see some of you there. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.